Hello everyone. I'm excited to share that I've recently begun a collaboration with the newly established Cisco Networking Academy at the University of Crete. This is done in collaboration with the university's Center of Training and Lifelong Learning. As part of this collaboration, we are offering a 4-month CCNA course that covers the full set of networking fundamentals based on the official Cisco Networking Academy curriculum. Remember, networking is one of the foundational technologies of the modern world, and CCNA certification is often the first major step into a career in networking. The course will be taught live, in English, and will guide you step by step through the topics required for the Cisco Certified Network Associate certification, one of the most recognized and valuable certifications in the networking industry. Participants will receive an official Cisco Networking Academy certificate of completion, and by the end of the course, you will be well prepared to take the CCNA certification exam. The course is designed with a manageable pace of about 10 hours per week, including both live instruction and personal study. This makes it ideal for both university students as well as working professionals who want to build strong networking skills. The program runs for approximately 4 months, with the next session scheduled to begin in the first week of June. Registration is now open until May 14th, so if you're interested, be sure to apply soon. For participants in Europe, completion of the course will provide you with 6 ECTS credits recognized as academic and professional training programs. If you'd like more information, visit the University of Crete Cisco Academy website. The link is in the description below, where you'll find full details about the course as well as contact information for any further questions. I look forward to seeing many of you in the University of Crete's Cisco Networking Academy CCNA course. See you there.